Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We're going to do an auction preview of a late May toy auction coming to Antique Toys and Marz Auctions. Stay tuned for more. Okay, first off, we got the La Ligue Deluxe Packard by Mr. Thomas Sehlhoff. That's going to come to auction. Gorgeous blue, light blue pinstriping, nice little luggage rack, and one of his Sehlhoff products boxes. And there's the La Ligue up there. How about a unique taxi cab color combination from Thomas Toys? Or a Plymouth? Or a large Hubley Panama? And then of course we've got the venerable World's Fair Chicago Toys. Nice little pamphlet that's worth knowing about. Sweden, Czechoslovakia, General Cigar, Walgreens, for those Florida people, Walgreens. Texas Company thermometer, that's neat. Some fire trucks coming up. Very unusual. Fix All by Marx. Traditional Marx fire alarm, firehouse. We're used to that one. Got some nice additional ones as well as a Hubley. That's a late 20th century one. Just another quick look at the tin, Japanese tin. And then we just did the photo shoot over here of the Sibleys, which is very nice. Just did the photo shoot of the US mail. And then, pardon the blue tape, but the Erzgebirge German soldiers are just outstanding. This is a complete set. Much of the world's just not seen a complete set. These are probably 1870s. Hand-carved, large scale. Tonka set. Highway, and all of these are extra clean. And they come with the road grader, road closed, bypass, and signs. How about some robots? Voltron, Cargosaur, and the Robotech Cyclone. BOTS. Summit Volunteers, hand-painted prototype from Marx. This is just not too shabby. And keep in mind it's very difficult to see, but it's got the prototype X number on it. Hand-painted wind-up. One of a kind. A great looking Citroen. Absolutely outstanding. How about an automobile chassis kit? All right, so cheers from Antique Toys and Ed. Look forward to these toys coming to auction. And again, it's going to be May 31st, that Saturday, along with some G.I. Joes. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. And if you have similar toys for collections, contact me at toys@AntiqueToys.com.